Hello friends, welcome to GMG accountancy classes. Today we are going to understand the new 12th commerce lesson number 24, types of entrepreneurs or entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs means what? Businessman. So types of businessman we'll discuss in this chapter. Now first we'll start from the choose the correct answers. Choose the type of entrepreneur that is not based on function, that is classical. Choose the type of entrepreneur that is not based on motivation, is corporate. Which of the following is the activity of a business entrepreneur? All the above. All these activities will be performed. Now, find the odd one out in context of trading entrepreneur, that is manufacturing. Corporate entrepreneur is also called as promoter. Poultry, flowers, fruits, etc. are called allied products of agricultural entrepreneur. Dash entrepreneur supplies service unlike livestock. Motivate of pure entrepreneur is both B and C, earning profit and attaining status. Which of this is based on technology? Professional. Which of the characteristics of a Febin entrepreneur? That is adaptive. Now move on to very short answer. First question. What is the other name of business entrepreneur? Business entrepreneur is also called as solo entrepreneur. What do you mean by solo? Solo means individual. Solo means individual, single. He or she is the one who conceives an idea for a new product, services, and establishes a business enterprise to translate his idea into reality. Now move on to second question. Mention the other name for corporate entrepreneur. Corporate entrepreneur is called promoter. He or she takes initiative necessary to start an entity under corporate format. He or she arranged to fulfill the formalities to start a corporate entity under company law. Who are agricultural entrepreneur? Agricultural entrepreneur are those entrepreneurs who raise farm products and market them. Those who raise allied products like poultry, meat, fish, honey, skin, agricultural implements, flowers, silk, fruit, prawn, etc. are called agricultural entrepreneur. Now move on to next question. State the name of the following venture. Venture means work. Started by individual or profit motive. So which type of work is this? Private entrepreneur. Started by government is state entrepreneurship. Started by individual and government together means induced entrepreneur. Means both together means induced entrepreneur. Started as a family business means classical entrepreneur. So if you are doing your family business means you are a classical entrepreneur. Give some example of pure enterprises. This question has been asked in March 2020 paper. Example Dhirubhai Ambani, Jamshedji Tata, TV, Sundar Malyangar, Sheshadri ji, Birla, Narayan Murthy, Aziz Premji, and so on. So these are the example of pure entrepreneur, means individual person who run his business. Now move on to very short answer. Who is private entrepreneur? Venture started by individual either singly or collectively and their own risk after mobilizing various resources in order to earn profit are called private entrepreneurship. How does a professional entrepreneur operate? Professional entrepreneur is one who is having a rich expertise in starting a venture but lack interest in continuing the venture as a manager or as an owner. He or she simply sell out the venture started by him to someone else after its successful takeoff. They keep on convincing new ideas to develop alternative projects. So they are known as professional entrepreneur. Third question, explain about the initiative entrepreneur. So imitative entrepreneur is one who simply imitates existing skill, knowledge or technology already in place in advanced countries. So is simply original or redesign the product developed in advanced countries and produce a version suited to the local conditions. For example, many electronic products invented in advanced countries are simply re-engineered in developing countries. So write about Fabian entrepreneur. Fabian entrepreneurs are those individuals who do not show initiative in visualizing and implementing new ideas and innovation, wait for some development which would motivate them to initiate unless there is an imminent threat to their very existence. So this is known as Fabian entrepreneur. Long answer. First question. Explain in detail on classification according to the type of business. Business entrepreneur. Business entrepreneur is called solo entrepreneur. He or she is one who conceives an idea for a new product service and establishes a business enterprises to translate his idea into reality. He or she may establish small or large enterprises to commercially exploit his or her idea. Next one, trading entrepreneur. Trading entrepreneurs are those who restrict themselves to buying and selling finished goods. They may be engaged in domestic and international trade. Their core strength lies in distribution and marketing. They get their income by way of and marketing. So they are only indulged in the activity of marketing. It's known as trading entrepreneur. Next one, industrial entrepreneur. Industrial entrepreneur means industrial solo businessman. These are entrepreneurs who manufacture products to satisfy the needs of consuming public after identifying the need left unfulfilled by the manufacturer yet. Industrial entrepreneur mobilize the resources of various types of create an entity to manufacture the product or service. Move on to next question. Corporate entrepreneur. Corporate entrepreneur is called promoter. He or she takes initiative necessary to start an entity corporate format. He or she arranged to fulfill the formalities to start a corporate entity under company law. In corporate form of organization, ownership and management are separated. Now move on to agricultural entrepreneur. Agricultural entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who raise farm products and market them. Those who raise allied products like poultry, meat, fish, honey, skin, agricultural implements, flour, silk, fruit, pawn, etc. are called agricultural entrepreneur. Already studied in small answers. In short, these entrepreneurs pursue venture in agriculture and allied sector. Now, retail entrepreneur. Who is retail entrepreneur? Retail entrepreneur are those who enter into venture of distributing the end product to final consumer, while wholesale entrepreneur takes up the venture of distributing the product to the retailer. So, retail entrepreneur means retail man. This a small shop is there and he's selling you a pen to the customer is known as retail entrepreneur. Service entrepreneur. Service entrepreneur is entered into the venture of supplying service products to the end consumers. Hotel, hoteliers, airlines, banking, insurance and financial services providers, etc. Now move on to question. Discuss the nature of functional entrepreneur. Innovating entrepreneur. Innovative entrepreneur is one who is always focused on introducing a new product or already started. They constantly observe the environment around them, collect information and analyze them in order to contribute something new in the venture. Imitative entrepreneur already we studied. Just now the imitative entrepreneur, Fabian entrepreneur,